Hi, everybody. I am borrowing a camera. It's a phone camera. I hope this turns out good. I'm gonna try and loosen up and slow down and talk to you. I've been having a rough couple of weeks, the last couple of weeks. uh, about 4 months ago, right around when I was going through the television show and seeing a couple of doctors for the first time in years, I came to a conclusion that possibly my cancer was in remission, and it was in order to do more of a maintenance urine therapy. So I started about 4 months ago doing just the first morning dose. And, I gotta say that I think I was influenced through the television show and your comments and my family too. Even though they didn't say anything, I want to do something that is going to promote life, and I let the peer pressure kind of get to me. And I said, I thought to myself, gee, I am not doing this to hurt my family. I'm doing this to help my family. I want to stick around, see my grandbabies grow up, see my kids grow old, So I went down to 1 dose per day, and in this last week, it's taken 4 months to start showing dramatic symptoms. I have been losing my balance. If I bend over to pick something up, I sometimes will fall flat on my face. It glitches somewhere in there in the picking up. The symptoms aren't good. I'm misplacing words and I'm not doing it in this moment, luckily, but I will use a word that's real similar and can't find the right word, and it's usually a real small word, like a 4, 5-letter word, and I can't, and there's a little glitch going on there, and nauseous all the time. I felt like I could run to the bathroom. Okay, and the last one that really hit me and gave me a wake-up call was trying to sign my name 3 times in a row for Trinity's schoolwork. Going back to school, they send you home with a packet. You got to sign a whole bunch of times. And in the middle of my first name, as I signed it, would get a glitch, and it was the same way all 3 times, where I couldn't find my name, the first name anyway. And so I started researching symptoms, and I had a feeling I knew what's going on. And brain tumor symptoms, and there were even more of them that were just in the last week started coming in real hard and heavy. Now this could be scary. Okay, I do have an appointment. I'm going to get an MRI, have them look. Now, if for any of you have seen the movie, I think it's Brzezinski. It's a documentary. It's on Netflix, and it's about a doctor in Texas who has been manufacturing, deriving from urine, his own medication he's been giving to cancer patients, and having, since the 80s, really good results. Well, the FDA got a hold of that and taking away his ability to treat his patients by not letting him administer his medication that he'd been making out of urine. And guess what? The cancer patients started turning up with tumors again. Well, anybody who knows about melanoma, I've been in this battle 7, 8 years now. 7 years, 6, 7 years. Oh no, that's brain injury. It's 8 or 9 years I've been in the melanoma battle. And I had a brain injury in 2006 that we could attribute a lot of these symptoms to. But an injury to me isn't something that gets better or worse, right? My symptoms would not get worse over time. Or maybe they would. They have actually proven that after brain injury, sometimes dementia is noted. But, so, anyway, I'll try not to drag this on too long. I got a kick in the butt, and it was called a 4-day headache beyond migraine. And I've had these headaches for years now. Since the melanoma diagnosis, I've been getting these headaches maybe every other month. During the urine therapy, it would lessen it to maybe 2 a year. But now that I have decreased my dosage down to 1 time a day, I've been getting them again. So, I had this one headache that was it just broke a couple days ago because, seriously, I was on the verge of having suicidal thoughts. I can't take this life. I don't want to live in this life anymore. If my head is going to feel like if you've had a migraine, it's beyond migraine. So I start researching, and pressure of a brain tumor causes, humbling thought. I made a comment on one of my videos that cancer doesn't scare me anymore. Man, I think that's when that headache started, I swear. Anyway, humbling headache, right? Horrible headache. And I woke up night before last and did 3 doses of Shivambu in the night. By the 3rd dose, that headache busted loose. And I did 6 doses yesterday and 4 so far today. And I'm feeling, wow, a complete flip switch in pain, agony. Arms that were numb and burning and feel like they're on fire. Another symptom. It's lessened, virtually gone, but, it's there so much I can hardly tell when it's gone. But anyway, wow. I'm not in maintenance mode, guys. The melanoma is a very intense thing. And I know I don't know they're going to find something in the MRI, but I'm not done in the battle. I can tell. I know this, whatever it is, wants to get me by. Those are silly words. I don't know. I'm stubborn. I don't go down easy. So anyway, just wanted to keep you posted. I'm back on to 5 full doses, maybe 6, and I'm going to get the MRI. Might not look good for right now. It might show us some tumors in my brain. And that would actually be a good thing because I can then show in a second MRI in a few 3 to 6 months, and I believe they will be gone. And that is why I cannot quit drinking my urine. It's an ongoing all your life. This fly has been loving me. Sorry about that. You don't stop. You just got to keep it up. It gets better and better the more we do. Oh, I made a little song. You know that fart song. PP, the magical meal. The more you drink, the better you feel. The better you feel, the more you drink. So let's have pee for every meal. I love you guys. Thanks for watching.